What is up, friends and family? I know there's some family watching, so hello everybody. I wanted to come and make this video today on how to slide the fifth wheel. I made the video yesterday on how to slide the trailer tandems. I had some people reach out on how to slide the fifth wheel, so I figured why not make a video on how to slide the fifth wheel. Better now than later. You guys need it now, so I'll give it to you now. Like I said, leave comments or email the email below with questions or things that you guys need help with, and I'll do my best to get it out ASAP and get a video out for you guys. So today I'm going to give you the 5 steps again, on how to slide the fifth wheel on your tractor trailer. Side note, this is only a demonstration. I'm moving the fifth wheel from the front to the back, but you're going to want to make sure that your fifth wheel is in the right place to have the right weight distribution on your drive tires, which I have a video that I'm going to be making. I'm going to get a whiteboard and everything and show you guys exactly how to change the weights on your steers, your drives, your trailer axles, everything. So stay tuned for that video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs down, whatever. It all helps the video. It doesn't bother me any. And don't forget to hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. So with that, let's get right into the video, you guys. All right, you guys, we got step number 1 of moving the fifth wheel. Let me show you exactly what we're talking about. Some of you may not know. So we're gonna go underneath here. So this is the tractor fifth wheel right here, this thing right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna move it from the front to the back. So it's gonna slide along this rail right here, and we're gonna like that. So the first step we're gonna need to do that is we're gonna go over to the landing gear right here, pull, and we're gonna jack it down, and we're gonna go all the way down to the ground, and we're gonna want to lift the weight off of the fifth wheel. So let me do that real quick for you guys. Alright, so now it's all the way on the ground, but we're going to want to go a few more turns to lift the weight off of the fifth wheel. Hard to do with one hand here. But you'll know the weight is lifted off the fifth wheel because you'll hear the airbags. You kind of hear them a little bit. That's what you'll hear. So, all right, let's jump to step number 2. All right, you guys, so we're on to step number 2. You're gonna want to start off with your foot on the brake. Once you do that, you're gonna come over here to the fifth wheel slide right here, and you're gonna push it over to the unlock. All that's doing is it's unlocking the fifth wheel to allow it to slide. Now, just like when you slide the tandems, you're gonna leave the trailer air supply applied, so it's gonna be pulled out, and you're gonna push the parking brake in like that. So that's releasing the brakes on the tractor, but you're keeping the brakes applied, so locked on the trailer. So we want the fifth wheel to move back. So in order to do that, which way do you guys think we need to go? Yep, you guessed it, we gotta go forward. So we're gonna put in drive, and we're gonna go forward slowly and move it. I'll show you guys what that looks like after we're done. All right, so here it is, you guys. Remember, the fifth wheel used to be up there. Now it's all the way in the back. And it's got this little stop right here, so it stops the fifth wheel from sliding off the back. But as you can see, it moved back. All right, now let's go on to step number 3. All right, you guys, so step number 3 is really similar to step number 2. You're gonna start with your foot on the brake. You're gonna come over to here to the fifth wheel slide, and you're gonna move it back to the lock position. Now that's pushing the pins back out to lock your fifth wheel. Again, you're gonna come over here, leave the trailer air supply applied, so pulled out, and then you're gonna push the parking brake in on the tractor. Now to lock it, since it depends on where you have your fifth wheel, but since we pushed it all the way back, I'm gonna go in reverse to lock it. And that's gonna push the fifth wheel up forward into the next notch. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next clip. All right, you guys, so step number 4. Very simple, but very, very important. You're gonna wanna do a tug test. So you're gonna wanna rock the tractor back and forth and make sure that fifth wheel is locked. You don't wanna take off and that fifth wheel will not be locked into place. So make sure it is locked. It's very, very important. All right, so last and final step. Catch you on step 5. All right, you guys, so 5th step is simply just bringing up the landing gear. So you're gonna bring it all the way up, and then once it's all the way up, you're good to go, and you can start driving. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. And that's it, you guys, the 5 steps to sliding your fifth wheel. I hope I made it simple enough for you guys, broke it down step by step, and hopefully you guys can understand. Again, if you have any questions, or you know, you need another video, or you just want to reach out and ask me something personally, comment below. And if you don't want anyone to see your information or like your name or anything, email me. I'm leaving my email in the description. I did get some feedback. You guys want to see some road footage, so I am going to be coming out with some road footage. Just got to work a few things out and try and figure out camera situation and everything, but I will be getting that out to you guys. With that being said, again, subscribe, like, dislike, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys on the next video.